Hello?
Welcome to KFC. This is Jimmy. I may help you.
Mommy, what you say you want again, mommy?
I'm sorry?
Alright, I'm gonna get 2 pounds of flour, 3 pounds of chicken.
I'm sorry?
What you say, mommy? What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ty here, back with another mini vlog. So you understand, it is Wednesday today, it's my day off, and I'm like, let me just get a little video out there for you. So y'all have read the title, and I'm about to go to KFC and basically go there with a Jamaican shopping list. Like, you know, when you're living in Jamaica and your mom or dad or anyone you're living with sends you to the shop, they normally give you like a shopping list to go to the shop with. Normally have like 2 pounds of flour, a mackerel, 3 pounds of chicken back, and them something there. All of those lovely stuff on it. Yes, no, that's what I'm about to do. I'm hot. And yeah, but I soon give you all YouTube a tour of my Benz or whatever. You understand? This is just, it's a little simple car. You know what I mean, to get around. But smash the like button from now before you even start watching the video, before the video even begins, and get entertaining and all that lovely stuff. And if you're new, please subscribe and touch the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. First and foremost, y'all see the ear, the new ear. It's like a comb twist, something light, you understand? I'm about to go get a durag at Walgreens first, then I'm gonna go to KFC and do this prank. So smash the like button, let's get ready for this video. And if this can go past, I'm gonna go and be right. So it's a little vlog we're not getting, it's a little mini vlog for the Wednesday afternoon. So I'm just go and check out the process and thing, you see me? And yeah. How y'all doing? Did y'all miss me? You understand? They miss the regular upload and thing. But not miss the regular upload when I upload every day. Yeah. We're out here. You know, say basics, my app and something here. Anyways, I chat too much. Hilltop badness. Hilltop badness. Hilltop badness. Yo, tall man. Look how much like food I have to put on. Cook on. I have like the whole process, guys. I'm not really going to cut the camera so you can just watch me. I know I'm entertained as fuck. Come on! I want to get copyright, so I'm going to lock off the hilltop badness. Walgreens are that far from my house, people, so you understand most of you know how the bad man will show Walgreens and things. You have to all this signal. You see me, I'm teaching you guys how to drive and all that lovely stuff. And you see me, you have to make sure you signal and thing. You see me? Wow, already. Them dead. Make sure you signal, people. You see me? Make sure you signal. You see them sign and you yell. I'm teaching you how to drive in America, you check and you go through. You see me? I'm teaching you how to drive and then you come to America and the people. You see me? I say. You know what I mean? I have to have it, you know. Signal. Always signal. You see me? I say. And you stop. Now you make the road. And you look about my check and you check and you wrap it up and go around like a general. You see me? I say. Yeah. Them dead. See Walgreens over here, say people. Stop at the stop sign. For you first stop and you check. Make sure everybody is stop. Then you go, because you're general. You see me and say? Hey, that you don't want to go nowhere. Walgreens with people. I get the do-rag so we can go do that prank there. Alright, so just pull up a Walgreens as you can see anything. Finna head out right now. See if me get that I'm saying I go for again a do-rag. Someone can sleep and don't pull up my hair at night time because we do made it last night and it look like I'm look a mess already. Honestly, look a mess already. So yeah. Hi, where I can find some do-rags. Do-rags. Tie on your head.
You can look up in the hair aisle. We might
Alright.
like the bandana, right?
Yeah. I don't really get no do-rag a while ago. The only thing them have in there, the only thing they got is the female sleeping caps. Like, yo, man, no female. Hello, woman. You can't find a do-rag. You never want to like order nothing online because you know set up for go through the whole process of shipping and it not gonna reach until like 2, 3, 4 days and thing. But let's go get this video out the way for you guys. Entertainment and thing. So smash like and let's go. We'll pull up a KFC right now and get that prank here in. Like the video. Comment some more ideas too. Yeah.
Close to July, if you have a boyfriend.
I don't mean all right.
If you have a boyfriend, me I got tell a good boy. 220.
Ladies sit there. Carman Road. Jamaican ladies sit there. Carman Road. If you don't want the Carman, them you know how to find them. Me the around here. Me around the ladies. Carman Road. Sit there if you don't want the Carman them. If you don't want them. Alright, people. So we pull up at the drive-thru right now. You understand? Hello?
Welcome to KFC. This is Jimmy. May I help you?
Mommy, what you say you want again, mommy?
I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm gonna get 2 pounds of flour, 3 pounds of chicken.
I'm sorry.
What you say, mommy? What you say? 2 tin mackerel too. Just give me a original.
$6.99 for real. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys. I'm a money green something like WhatsApp. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. It was just a simple. It was just a simple little prank. Not really a prank. A simple little video to upload on a Wednesday because y'all know y'all got school and all that thing and all that lovely stuff. Get myself a little KFC chicken and thing. I'm just gonna like have a little convo say, what that? I'm soon chat too. So this morning time is the best time to go to KFC basically. Okay. I'm currently at Walmart now. Still trying to get the do-rag and thing. But no man. I really didn't get to do the video how I wanted to do the video. I kind of shy out, you understand me? I need a second beside me. Somebody who don't do anything like me though. You know what I mean? Somebody who motivate me to do the trouble though. But as I said, it was just a video to upload today. Smash the like button. Subscribe. Walmart, we up with some park over so because I want to consume the chicken here. And chat too, you see me? I have two hilarious Smash Up Pass videos dropping sometime soon. So stay tuned for those videos to come out. Until then, it's been about Tata, guys.